Welcome to On the Road with Craig and Linda, where every day is an adventure.
What do you have planned for us today, Linda?
We're in Pontiac, Illinois, and we're doing a mural tour.
And get my kicks on Route 66.
Our summer road trip starts here.
In Pontiac, Illinois. First thing on the Route 66, this is probably the most photographed mural on Route 66.
Yep, that's what they said.
Hey Linda, look, there's ice cream. Why don't you go in there? The Palace of Sweets.
Yes, I'll be there. You don't have to ask twice.
I wonder if they got a bar for me. A candy company.
Yes. Candy and ice cream.
Why is everything candy and ice cream in this city?
Because I know I love it.
This one's dedicated to everybody in the military. We salute you. This is called 1926 in Pontiac, Illinois.
Looks like it's something.
Yeah, is that a real mural or is that?
Oh, this is like plastic or something.
Yeah, that's why it's in such good condition. Now this one's really cool. Look at this one. That's a 57 Chevy Bel Air.
Amazing.
Yeah, you can tell by the fins that it has in the back.
Yeah, it says Bel Air on the back.
No! Well, now, yeah, it says Bel Air and also says 57 on the plates, but I can tell by the fins out there. Very distinctive. Pontiac Fire Department, established in 1894.
Oh, this is really nice.
Yeah, they got some neat murals here. This is another awesome mural.
Who remembers the dog's name?
I don't know.
I do. I think it's called Nipper.
Dog.
RCA. Does that even exist anymore?
You know, that was probably a 5-cent postage stamp.
I was thinking a post cover.
No, that was actually a postage stamp, because look at the outline.
Yeah, I see the USA and the little...
5 cents and how it's
Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
like
I
that.
see
That's
that
a postage stamp. Here's one here, Abraham Lincoln. The Strevel House.
Ooh, this one's really cool.
The Strevel House, that looks more like a haunted house, doesn't it? It looks like kind of like ghostly. This is another cool mural right here. Wow.
It's true, Pontiac is a cute little town to visit with so many neat places to look at and visit.
Fun for the whole family. We heard ambulances in the background. Oh, it's not ambulance, not the police. Wow, fun for the whole family. The Hummingston Heritage, A History of Giving. I wonder what that is.
I don't know, we'll have to look that up and see.
Far away, she looked like Albert Einstein, didn't she?
I don't know.
Far away,
I
looked
didn't
like a...
see it.
This one, what's that famous artist from like the...
Norman Rockwell?
Yeah, it's like a Norman Rockwell.
The kid delivering newspapers. That don't happen anymore either.
Ask that guy if he's Daniel.
Yeah, you're Dan.
Is it West Tires? Do you remember the guys like that
Yeah.
in the old days? When they used to come up to your gas station? They send 3 of them out.
Pump, push, and jerk. I love it.
That sounds like the Three Stooges. Pump, Push, and Jerk. Old Larry and Curly. The traditions of farming in Livingston County.
E-I-E-I-O.
Saturdays. Pure to
Each one of these murals are done by different people.
All right, check out this other great mural right here. Here we go, getting your kicks on Route 66.
We're trying to find that one.
That was just around the corner there on West.
We are the missing mural. And we actually have from a local resident that mural's missing, right?
Chicago.
You're all from Chicago. You're all on what? A travel team?
No, I'm
Oh, your brother's on the travel team. Is your brother any good?
So is there anything else cool around here? So what's a dead animal bar? I'm brave.
It's exactly what you think it is.
Oh God.
Let's go in and check the place out. Bob and Ringos. Wow. Look at this old time bar. People come, yeah, Buffalo had like I had. It's pretty. Yeah.
Budweiser in Clydesdale, and you don't find these going around like this in this great condition. So,
Yeah, look at that old Schlitz sign up there. Hey, where's your turtle?
so are you Bob or Ringo?
Your
That's
Bob.
Bob.
Hauntings or anything goofy in here?
Oh no. Well, goofy, yeah.
Everybody's saying they're saying go into the men's bathroom. It's all muraled up.
This is really cool, unique. I love it.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
They just filmed here in Pontiac, like in February maybe.
Okay. Oh wow, awesome.
Yeah. Cool. What?
They want us to sign our name on the wall.
Okay.
And they can say when we're big stars, they were in our bar and they signed the wall. Here's Craig signing his name, and up on top,
We have made it.
it was nice talking to you all. Thank you.
All right, Linda, what'd you think about today's adventure?
It was awesome.
Don't break the porch. Back on the mother road, due Route 66.